Hi there, this is Shijil. Thanks for clicking and welcome to this lesson on passive causative. Now this is more advanced grammar structure that we are going to talk about. So on the board, we have a sentence and this is a problem. Imagine that yesterday my car broke down. First of all, broke down means that my car stopped working. Okay. So what would be the solution to this problem? Imagine yesterday my car broke down. What did I do next? Well, normally if your car breaks down or if you have a problem with any kind of piece of mechanical equipment, you have to get it fixed by someone, right? So I say yesterday my car broke down. Next day I had it fixed by a mechanic. I had it fixed by a mechanic. Okay, now this gives us a better idea of what the passive causative actually is. So remember, a passive sentence is one where he isn't really doing the action. He is kind of receiving the action. Alright, causative means you are causing the action. So it's kind of contrary to each other, but we are going to work it out. So for example, let's look at the structure of the passive causative itself and we can be better understand it. So I had it fixed by a mechanic. Here we have subject I. I is the subject. We have verb have in the past yesterday, so had. So we can use have in general. We can also use get. So here I can also say I got it fixed by a mechanic. Then you have the object. So I had it. It relates back to the car. Fixed is a past participle. So we are just going to use PP for the advanced students here. So we have the part participle plus, and this is optional in some cases, a by phrase. And I said by an agent. An agent is the person who did the action to the object. Okay. So here you didn't fix your car, right? You got someone else to fix your car. So you had it fixed by a mechanic. This is passive causative. Now let's look at another example and you can tell me the solution to this problem. So for example, give me some advice here. If I say my hair is too long. My hair is too long. I haven't cut my hair in 6 months or 8 months, right? And it's getting really long. So what kind of advice would you give me? What should I do? Normally when your hair is too long, you naturally go to a stylist or you go to a barber and you get your hair cut. Okay. So you can actually use the passive causative as a way of giving advice as well if you throw in a model between the subjects and have and get. Okay. So for example, well, my hair is too long. You give me advice. You say, well, Shijil, you should get it cut. So here we have the subject, which is myself, of course, Shijil. We have a model to give me advice that is should. And we have get here. And again, you can use have here as well. You can say you should have it cut or you should get it cut. There is no difference in meaning. We have the object we are talking about, my hair. And cut is the past participle of cut. Now, what you are noticing here is that I have no by phrase, right? So by phrase sometimes is implied. Okay, it's not absolutely necessary in every single situation. Here you understand that I am going to get my hair cut by a stylist. Someone else is going to cut my hair. Okay, so let's look at a couple of more examples of passive causative statements. So again, imagine that your teeth hurt. You have to go see the dentist, right? So what should you do next? Well, if your teeth hurt, you probably should get them checked out by a dentist. So for example, the situation again is my teeth hurt. My teeth hurt. So maybe you need your wisdom teeth to be taken out. So you should have them looked at. You should have them looked at. Here by phrase is optional. We understand that normally when your teeth hurt, you see a dentist. So you can just say, yeah, you should have them looked at. We understand that you mean you should have them looked at by a dentist, right? So the by phrase here is completely optional, but we are going to put by a dentist, okay? So again, remember this structure. When you're using passive causative, you are getting something done to something by someone or something else. Okay, so you got someone else to do something for you. All right, and till next time, you guys know what I'm going to say, right? Until next time, thanks for clicking. Bye.